Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a UX designer working on your portfolio, today's tutorial is absolutely for you. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to embed an interactive prototype from Figma directly into your case study, specifically using Behance as your platform. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to make your case studies pop with live, clickable prototypes, but you'll also give your viewers and potential employers a way to really experience your work in action. So let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, we need to make sure you already have your interactive prototype ready to go in Figma. That means you've designed your screens and set up your clickable areas so your prototype can actually be interacted with. If you haven't done that yet, take a minute now to finish those links and flows. Remember, a polished prototype isn't just about looks, it's about showing how your design solves real user problems. Now with your prototype open in Figma, look towards the top right and find the Present button. Go ahead and click that. What this does is open a preview of your prototype, the same view that someone else would see when interacting with your design. I like to think of this as your digital stage, where your work takes the spotlight. While you're in this preview mode, take a second to check your transitions and flows. This is a great quick test to make sure everything is working smoothly. If you spot anything off, no worries, just jump back and tweak your designs before moving forward. Better to catch it now than after embedding, right? Next, while the prototype is still up, look for the Share Prototype button, which is usually up top as well. Click that and you'll see a menu pop up, here where all the sharing magic happens. Within this menu, you'll spot an option called Embed. Sometimes it's listed as Code Embed. Go ahead and click that. It might sound fancy, but all this does is generate a little piece of code called an embed code, which acts kind of like a window. When you paste this code somewhere else, for example, on your Behance project page, it'll pull your interactive prototype right in, so visitors can play with it without leaving the page. Now all you need to do is click the Copy Embed Code button. It only takes a second, but don't worry if you're unfamiliar with code, you don't need to change anything here. Just copy and you're ready for the next step. Let's jump over to Behance, which in today's video we're using as our portfolio platform. Log into your account and on the dashboard there's a big button or link that says Share Your Work or something similar. Click that and select Create Project. This will open up your new project editor, and you'll see lots of options for adding images, text, and importantly, a prototype or embed section. The wording can change a bit, but you're looking for the place where you can paste code. It's usually pretty clearly labeled. Go ahead and paste the embed code you copied from Figma right into that field. And just like that, Behance will render your interactive prototype, fully functional and ready for anyone viewing your portfolio to click through. Take a moment to preview your page. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for the prototype to load, so don't panic if it doesn't pop up instantly. And that's it, you've now embedded a live, interactive prototype into your case study, showcasing not just how it looks, but how it works. This is such a powerful way to tell the story of your UX process and really stand out to recruiters and collaborators. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment if you have any questions or run into any issues. I always love helping out. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more hands-on tutorials and portfolio tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.